Got another one. Let's check it out. Coming from Buckin Billy Ray. Boy, they don't skimp on tape on this. They want it to get to you. You might know what it is, considering what you see in the background there. This is always out of stock. Look at that thing. Just beautiful. Check that one. Oh yeah. Man, this thing's nice. I was gonna replace it. I was gonna replace this with it, but I think I might try to find one to put on here, an axe head, an old axe head. We might be looking for that. So